Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to continue with our bisectional search computer game. So, we have the idea here, but I want to make sure that we understand the while loop that we're going to be doing. So let's spend a little bit of time on this while loop, and then we'll go from there. So, alright, let's see. So, okay. Now, you've seen the while loop before, so let's go through this very, very slowly. And we're going to do this a different way. We've seen this with a break. We're going to be using true and false. So this is very important. Not true is false, so not false has to be true. So that's important. And this is also very important because we're going to need to flip back over and be able to. So alright, let me show you what we're going to do. While ands print hi. We're just going to do this once, and then we're going to break. Then I'm going to show you how to change it. So okay. So it did hi. So okay. Now let's do this a different way. While, actually let's do it over here so we stop running out of space. While, let's put ands over here. So let's just make this over here false. If I can type false. So, alright. And this is important, and we'll go over this real slow. While ands, let's go not ands. Actually, let's just do this true so you can see. Not ands print hi. Print hi. Now ands equals true. Now watch what happens. So okay, let's go over this, what I'm doing right here. So what is, so ands, well ands now is this, but at the start of it, ands equaled false. That's just short for answer because I'm too tired, too lazy to do that. So false, not false equals what? True. So remember, this has to be true, this condition has to be true. So not false is true. So alright, so what I'm doing here is I need an example of how to go through and continue to do this until a condition is met, and then somewhere in our condition I'm going to change this because we need to go through here until we find our number, right? The number that we guessed, and the computer is just going to go through this loop over and over and over again, changing our low number and changing our high number, and then when we hit it, when the computer guesses right, it's going to change this to true. And the reason why I'm doing this is so you only have to think backwards here, because this is not correct, so it's false, and then you only have to think about this backwards one time. So when you get your answer, all you have to do is go, yes, it's true. But right now it's false, and we have to think about it backwards one time. I'll say this one more time. We have to make this true somehow. So our answer is not correct, so we need to keep going on our answer over and over and over again until it's correct. So somehow we need to make this loop continuous until it becomes true. So that's why I like using this technique, because right now you only have to think about this backwards one time. So then when you get your answer, you make your answer true, then this shuts this down when it comes back through. So, alright, so now that is the second installment of working through our loop. The next one is we're going to be working on changing our high and low value, because that can get a little tricky pretty quickly. So like I said in last video, we're going to chop this up. Probably going to do at least 4, maybe 5. I haven't gone through it yet, but I know it's going to be at least 4. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Most important, that bell notification. And please leave any comments, questions, or video requests. Or if there's something that I quite didn't go over well enough and you need more in detail, please ask, and I'll do another video more in depth. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.